Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to introduce you to an exciting new tools that will revolutionize the way you create videos. It's called an AI video creator, and we'll be discussing how it can help you generate video quickly and easily. An AI video creator is an innovative technology that uses artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze and interpret various type of data such as image, text and audios. It then uses this data is generates video automatically. This tool is perfect for business marketer and content creator who want to create high quality videos quickly and without the need for any prior videos editing experience. So here I'm going to show you how to create. So the first step is I'm going to write or take an article as an example. So what I'm gonna use like if I say interest and hit on the enter. Now here I'm just click on that. So here you can also use for your article for which sector do you want. So I'm gonna use like this the science. When I click over the science, now you can see here the different article. So whatever you're looking for your article, like if I use what is the climate change and this one, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use it for my article, for my video as an article. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just copy the link, and the next step is I'm going to use the LIOI, then hit on that. Then what I'm gonna do, just use this platform for generating the video. Let me click on that, and it say the create AI videos from just text. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create my account, create video just from text with AI. So let me use the name. If I say the use and use the my email, then use the password and use the please accept and create an account. So and it will also ask you to for confirm your email. Just follow the few steps. We are eager to learn more about you to help you have the best experience with AI. So let me just use the what kind of, I'm going to just use for personal use, then continue. Then what is the type, like if I say the AI creator, if I say then continue, just finish it up, and it say the check mailbox. So I use the check email, then verify my email. Okay, is success. Then the next step is what type of video would you like to create. So the step, you can see that there are no recent video you can create from here. So if do you have, and you can also use the different format like using ChatGPT 3 type of the topic and get the video in a minutes or generate from URL. So I'm using this one, hit on here. Then I already made a copy from the info, and so what I'm gonna do, I'm just pasting here. So now I'm just use a select template. So from here you can found the few template, and you can also choose over from there and you can use for your video. Let me choose one of them. Okay, for now I'm going to use like this one and use the create video, and you can also use here, you can find, so it will come up like this. So let me create the video, and it will take the time for processing, so you need to wait for your video. Now you can see it is the what is the climate change, and it's from the info first, and you can use as a content. Now I'm going to change the background. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just select this one and go to the elements and use the image or the video. So I'm going to use this video. Let me click on that. Now you can see this one. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm just delete this one and use this one for as a background, apply as a background. And now you can see this. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the color style, also customize it. So select the font and change the font color, yeah, or you can just move somewhere if you want. Okay, then the next step is I'm going to use the avatar. So when I click over here, Now you can see the here is a few avatars, so you can choose from of them, so whatever you like. Let me choose one of them, or you can use also create your own avatar here. Let me just choose from them. If I use this one and choose the one, and you can see this is the avatar, and you can also use inner circle, yeah, this one, and change the background if you want, like if you want this background or the different background or whatever you prefer for a video. Okay, I'm using for now this one. And what can you do? You can use this one for the all slide, or you can use the specific slides. For now I'm using the apply to all slides. Now you can see it's in the all slide and it's come over with the slide. Then what I'm gonna do, change the background. So with this one, let me just click on this one, and now you can see this one. Then you can use this as a apply as background. Now it's changed. Okay, so same as just you can customize this video and you can use for making up a video. The next step is to select the voice. So for now I'm going to use this one and click over, and you can use from of them, and you can also choose for the different. Let me click one of, if I use, okay, I just use
Videos that provide valuable information are often shared much more frequently than those that just entertain.
Okay, for now I am using apply to all, yeah, so it will take to me the all avatar. Then next step is, so what I'm gonna do, I'm use the render, click on that, and here you can use the appropriate video duration formats and minutes available, so only 1 minute. So because this is the free one, for this reason just I'm going to show you for the 1 minute. Okay, let me start with the start render, and when I click over there, so it's take the time because it's depend on the sizes. And here go to the draft, click over there, it's still the rendering. Okay, now it's done. Then what I'm gonna do, just I'm gonna show you how it's come. Then click on that and now play it. Let me just hit on the
Climate change refers to the long-term shift in global weather patterns and conditions caused by human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, resulting in significant impacts on the environment and human societies. The increased release of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide.
Okay, just pause it, then download it. So go back to there and use the download. So it's done now, just check it.
Climate change refers to the long-term shift in global weather patterns and conditions caused by human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, resulting in significant impacts on the environment and human societies. The increased release of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere, traps heat from the sun, causing the planet to warm. Climate change is a pressing global issue that requires collective action and solutions from individuals, businesses, governments, and the international community. Climate change is primarily caused by human activities that increase the number of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, in the atmosphere.
Okay, overall, AI video creator is a game-changing technology that can help you create high-quality videos, quality and easy, without breaking the bank. So, if you are looking for tools that can take your video content to text next level, give an AI video creator a try. That is for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.